agad.
Binayaran ko.
Wala pa. Ako pa lang yun.
Ay, ko ba? Sige.
Ate, if ever may senior, may discount ba yun? Oo, siya. Tele, dito sa gilid, kamaga. Merong 216. Dalawa. Sa inyo ni Venus. Hi,
Thank you.
Nakapanood na tayo. Kay?
Nomansu. Gerian. Thank you.
Kayong stancho na.
Good morning. So today is June 2. On my way to Seda Vertis North. Double check. Yes, on my way to Seda Vertis North dahil merong 75th anniversary and annual convention for PDA QC chapter. Start 8 a.m. so 7:09 na. Here at Seda, maglalagay lang ako ng pang Filipiniana. Kalimutan ko kung nilako pa. Nilako yung kotse.
Section 40.2 of the PDA FCTW allotment coming from the Welfare Trust Fund from the building the total income and the expenses and oral cancer screening through these initiatives.
Dr. Ryan Joshua Demota,
7 na.
Dr. Judith E. Morales, Dr. Ameline G. Sapla, Dr. Eileen Marie Diona, Dr. Erin Domini O, Dr. Kadir Ivian Velano,
mula sa puyat, kaba, hanggang sa halos isuko na ninyo yung kape at ang inyong social life. Pero eto na kayo ngayon.
Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of being a member of the Philippine Dental Association.
Inductees, welcome again to our chapter.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Sige po. Spin po kayo dito, Doc, para kung sakaling umama.
Rin doktora, mga vitamins.
Ano po, Alpha Garden mo, Doc, tsaka Oracle.
Salamat po.
So it's just for my fam.
And grateful thanks. Grateful na thanks pa. Ano ba? Suhitas Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, Exodent Training. That's True Life UK. May hindi sa basura, is that correct? Yes. May we have your name, doctor?
So in the meantime, enjoy your tea.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may still continue having your lunch. Again, thank you.
Molar relationship, having all the excessives.
Special discount para sa iyo. Ma'am, shoes pa. Baka may pag-store ka.
May miss ka sakit,
Parang wala po.
punta kayo dun, no? Pakisabi mo na lang din dun sa iba.
Kulangan mo, Dok. Meron na.
Meron na.
Video.
Thank you. Sige. Thank you. Ano pong brand? Macintosh.
Local brand po. Bigyan ko kayo
Galing saan po?
PGO din.
Okay.
May Shopee page po kami sa Kanasa.
Sige. Thank you.
Apples po.
Sige po.
You again. Thank you so much. You will do the honors of picking out a message from